Hello backers, and basically warm welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video we're going to be making some southern fried chicken. Okay, so for this recipe you need some garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, chili powder, and a couple of eggs. Okay, so what I'm doing at the minute is I'm beating the eggs together and until round about this consistency has been reached. Okay, so I'm putting a couple of tablespoons of chili powder into the bowl of flour. Okay, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a couple of tablespoons of paprika. Okay, so what you need to do now is stir it until you come up with some sort of powder. Okay. Right, until round about this consistency. Okay, so firstly, after that you dip the chicken into the egg yolk, then dip it into this powder, dip it into the egg yolk again, and dip it into the powder again. Right, shaking off some of the excess flour mixture. Okay. Right, and we're using the deep fat flour again. It's been a while, and repeat the process like so. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do now is lower them into the deep fat fry for around about 5 minutes, okay, or until they're crispy and golden. Right, making sure they're both evenly fried by turning them over from time to time. So coming along pretty good, to be fair. And of course, those of you using deep fat fryer, it's a good idea to keep it covered because it could spit. Okay, so you need to make sure that there isn't blood running and there's no sign of pink. There's a a bit of paint there, so there's no blood. But this one here, it could do with being fried for a few more minutes, because it's still raw. Okay, so after they're done, what I'm doing now is putting them on some paper towel, and what that does is soak up all the grease so that they can be nice and crispy. And as you can see, I've still got a few plenty more of these chickens, so I'm and some more of this powder, so I'm going to repeat the process. So because basically this is my tea. Right, okay, so this time I've dropped them all in there separately, but if you find that you're doing the same thing, you can always set a timer for around about a couple of minutes longer, and that is how you make southern fried chicken. Okay, so that is the end of another video. So if you liked this video, do remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and give a comment, and because that helps with the algorithm of them. And also do not forget to check the links to my social media in the description below. And also do remember, whether or not you're autistic and you want to learn to cook, then do remember, I have your back.